The winter brings some funky looking vegetables, so how are you supposed to incorporate them into your cooking? Today I'm tackling sunchokes and kabocha. The additional ingredients I'm using are olive oil and salt and pepper. Easy! Sunchokes, otherwise known as Jerusalem artichoke or sunroot, can be cooked just like a potato. They have a mild sweet and nutty flavor. Unfortunately, they can cause massive gas and stomach pains, so eat them in moderation. Today I'm going to prepare roasted sunchokes. To start, wash off all the dirt. Next, cut your sunchokes into 1/2 inch thick slices. Kabocha has a fluffy texture and a sweet flavor that tastes like sweet potato mixed with pumpkin. It is packed with beta-carotene, iron, and vitamin C. To prepare the kabocha for cooking, you want to cut off the top and bottom to make it easier to cut in half. Once you cut in half, you want to scoop out all the seeds and start slicing it into crescent shapes. Once our kabocha and sunchokes are prepared, we want to evenly spread them out on a baking sheet. This is the time where we drizzle with olive oil and salt and pepper. I have a special herb from my grandma's garden that I will also put a dash of before putting them in the oven. You want to preheat your oven to 425 and leave the funky vegetables in for about 20 minutes, making sure not to burn the bottoms. I made some baked chicken legs in addition to my kabocha and sunchokes, and now it's time to eat dinner. Yum yum!